not. Oh,
I hate
that is
I wrote a
another
text
whole
mail
thing.
all day on the day. I was so pissed.
Oh, I have like, I go put this at Facebook and I do like whole blog posts about this because I'm just like, I think it's incredibly rude for either one.
Yeah, it is.
It totally is. It is, every once in a while, it's like if you were a doctor, it's tax season, you're a surgeon.
Maybe, but then.
You know, it's not about texting, it's the I understand you have to keep it out.
Right.
And you have to look periodically.
Mm-hmm.
And you might need to respond, and then the appropriate response is, pardon me, I'm so sorry. It's a surgery I'm taking care of. I have to respond to this, as opposed to, I think I start doing it. Perfect instance for an opportunity for slapthology.
Okay.
Not that we actually do, but it's like, that's the urge. I completely understand.